So let us understand the scoring methodology of category 1 questions by using an example. So in this question, the correct answer is option A. Okay. Now let us see the situations where we are going to get awarded the positive marks or the negative marks. So if we darken the circle, so in the OMR sheet you will be given the response sheet like this: A, B, and C and D. So 4 bubbles. Each bubble will correspond to a option. So in this case, option A is correct. Suppose in any case you have not responded to any of the thing, all the bubbles are kept blank. In that case, you will neither get any positive marks nor get any negative marks. So you will be awarded a 0. Okay. Now in the second case, say if you have marked the correct answer, that is option A. So if you have darkened the option A, the darkening should be proper, as filled up as possible. So you have to darken this because it is being read up by using computers. So if you mark only this correct response, in this case you will be given a marks of +1. Okay. Now let us consider another case. If you mark anything except the correct response, say if you mark option C, that means you have marked a incorrect response, which is not the correct answer, which is not the correct option. You have marked that one. So in that case, you will be awarded a minus 0.25. Okay. Now let us say if you have marked more than one option here in this case, and both are incorrect. Okay. A was the correct answer. So you have marked, say, option B, and you have marked an option D. Both are incorrect. In that case also you are going to get a negative marks, which is minus 0.25. Now if you have marked more than one responses but it contains the correct answer, because option A was correct, so say if you have marked option A as well as if you have marked another incorrect response, say option C. So you have marked two options, but one of them is correct, one of them is incorrect. So even if you have marked the correct response in category 1 questions, as you have marked an incorrect response, that is more than one option correct you have responded, in this case also you are going to get a 0.25 with a negative. So in summary, if you don't mark anything, you will get a 0. If you mark exactly the correct answer, that is, you will get +1. If you mark any one option other than the correct marks, you will get a minus 0.25. If you mark more than one option, both are incorrect, you get a minus 0.25. If you mark both the two or more options with one of the options correct, even in that case also you are going to get a minus 0.25. That sums it up all.